welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to assemble the candy dispenser. I know you guys have been seeing them on my page. So we're going to be putting together one of these Franken cupcakes. This is a 80 mm ornament. We're going to be putting together a 70 mm ornament. So 70 mm, 7 centimeters, and I forget how many inches this is. But let's start. So I have all my items cut out already. I have my 1/2 of my 70 mm ornament. You can get these from Amazon. I will post a link in the description. I have my glue gun hot and ready. You don't have to use glue, hot glue, but I like to use hot glue just to make sure that the ornament is going to not come loose. I'm also going to be using my own brand of glue. Let's begin. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your spoon mechanism. This is your spoon mechanism. This is what's going to open and close your hole. So it should be 2 of these, and you should have 2 washers. Now we're going to glue these 2 together. Now you're going to take this piece and we're going to bend these 2 tabs up just like this. You're going to take your 2 washers and you're going to place them on here like this. Then you're going to take your and stick it between these like this. And then fold out those 2 flaps just like that. Now you have your spoon mechanism. Now you're going to take your bottom piece, which is the black, and we're going to glue the spoon mechanism down. So what you want to do is just glue these parts right here. If you're using my brand glue, it comes with a little tube you can stick at the top for small pieces, but I'm not going to be using that. So I'm going to open this just so I can make sure I line it up with the hole correct. And I'm going to apply my glue. Do not glue this piece here. Now we're going to line it up with our hole. And glue it down. Now once you do that, you'll have your mechanism. Now we're going to take our gray piece and we are going to glue it down on top of our black, like this. You don't want to glue the part where your mechanism is going to be moving at, so you don't want to glue down here. So what I do is I just open my mechanism up and then I apply glue everywhere. Don't apply to the edge because it has a bit of a offset. And we're going to just line it up with the hole. If you need to add glue anywhere, you know, just go ahead and do that. Now we are going to construct Mr. Frankenstein. Oh, wrong step. Now you're going to take your ornament, and what you want to do is, for this design, you want to make sure that the circle, so for this design, you don't have a full circle, it's just a half a circle. So you want to just place this down so you can make sure you got it, your ornament in the correct space. Then you want to set your ornament down. We're going to remove this. And we're going to take a pencil, but I don't have a pencil here, so I'm going to be using my pen. That's fine. And you just want to trace. You can skip that part. It didn't even trace, y'all. You can skip that part and just immediately, I can see where use your hot glue gun and glue around your ornament. Don't do this. Don't do how I just did and lift the glue gun over my ornament, because I just put a glue strip on top of it. All right, so we have that glued down. Of course, it takes a couple minutes to dry, but it's pretty dry. I mean, it's pretty stuck. Sorry. Now we're going to start decorating our Frankenstein. So we're going to start with his head. You guys can use pop dots or pop tape when you assemble these just to give it a 3D effect. That's up to you. It's your choice.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
All right, now that we have gotten our FrankenCupCake decorated, this is a final step. You guys don't have to do this. I just like how it gives it a final little look. But this is it without. Now we're going to put the little ring around. Now that you got your FrankenCupCake decorated, you can fill it with whatever small candies you like. So this is the size 70 mm ornaments, and this is the size 80 mm ornaments. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button below. If you guys want to purchase this SVG file, you guys can find it on my website. If you guys want to purchase the finished item where all you have to do is just fill it up with candy or the little items you want, you guys can also find that on my website. I will have both of those links posted below. Until next time, happy crafting.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me.